We have already learnt how to use the verb be as a state of being verb in an earlier video, the link of which you will find in the description below. Now we shall learn the use of verb be in continuous tenses. The continuous tense shows an action that is, was, or will be in progress at a certain time. Accordingly, we use am, is, or are forms of verb be with the ing form of the main verb in the present continuous tense. To make it more simple, we can say that the present continuous can be used to show an action which is happening at the time of speaking. For example, I am having dinner at the moment. He is doing his homework now. It is raining now. They are watching TV now. The past continuous is formed by using was or were forms of verb be with the ing form of the main verb. The past continuous can be used to show an action which was happening in the past, but the past continuous is usually used to show an action which was happening when another action happened at the same time, or stopped the continuous action, or started after the continuous action. The following examples will make our concept of past continuous clear. I was having dinner when you called me. She was watering the plants when it started raining. When the father arrived home, the children were watching TV. The students were shouting when the teacher entered the class. The future continuous is used to show that an action will be happening at a time in the future. A sentence in the future continuous tense is formed by using the verb be with will or shall and ing form of the main verb. For example, he will be having dinner at his parents' house tomorrow. I shall be participating in program tomorrow. There are some verbs that are not used to form the continuous tense sentences. This is because these verbs explain or describe states rather than actions. For example, she likes ice cream. Correct. She is liking ice cream. Incorrect. My father was tired. Correct. My father was being tired. Incorrect. I heard the car crash. Correct. I was hearing the car crash. Incorrect. Kindly oblige me by pressing the subscribe button if you like this video. Thank you.